Pi Day celebrates the mathematical sign pi. It happens on March 14th because it represents the first 3 digits of pi, and it is also Albert Einstein's birthday. CP News Group's executive editor David Gregg partnered with the app Photomath to celebrate Pi Day and to help families totally get math. David, can you tell us why this is such a great tool for students, parent math phobics, and experts?
I'd love to. Photomath is the world's most used math learning app with over 330 million downloads. It empowers students to learn and understand math at their own pace and in their own way. I'm being joined by Carolyn Drucker from Photomath to help me, help everyone, understand how this transformative learning app helps parents and their children learn, understand, and build confidence while they learn math. So, who is Photomath for, Carolyn?
Photomath is a math learning app designed to make learning more accessible by empowering students to learn, practice, and understand math at their own pace. Tens of millions of parents, students, and teachers use Photomath every single month. And students usually use it to check their homework or study for a test. And many parents use Photomath alongside their kids to help them better understand their homework together.
I know all the parents are wondering the answer to this question. Can Photomath take the place of expensive tutors?
We ran a study last year and found that more than 50% of parents admit that they struggle to understand their kids' homework. And nearly 2/3 say that when they try to help with math homework at home, it becomes a frustrating experience for both parents and children. Tutors can also be an expensive solution, whereas Photomath provides parents with a reliable resource that's available anytime, anywhere, at little to no cost.
Why does Photomath work so successfully?
In math, understanding the logic behind concepts is more important than the answer itself. Using AI technology, Photomath works by scanning your math problems, even handwritten ones, with your phone, and you get step-by-step explanations to teach students the how and the why, and not just the solution. So many students have told us that Photomath is an indispensable part of their learning.
How can Photomath turn the most math-phobic people, like me, into confident learners?
I'm sure many of us can remember a time growing up when we spent hours frustrated doing math homework. Learning math is often an emotional experience, and we found that most people disproportionately believe that themselves or their kids are just not good at math. We want to stop students from falling into that thinking by providing clear, step-by-step explanations to ensure that they have the tools to truly understand their math, not to fear it.
Last, and maybe the most important question, what does the Photomath app cost?
So Photomath is free for all users, including access to step-by-step instructions and solutions. You can dive deeper into math concepts with Photomath Plus, which is just under $10 a month or $59.99 for the whole year. Photomath Plus offers more in-depth explanations and ways to learn, like tips and tricks to help you connect the dots and animated tutorials to visualize learning.
Make your and your child's math skills better now, especially during these challenging post-pandemic learning times. Easily download and use the free or fee-based versions of Photomath. Just visit your Apple or Android App Store. Happy Pi Day! Back to you in the studio.
Yum indeed. Thanks, David. Again, to learn more about the app, just go to cpnewsgroup.com.